Hurricane Helene struck Florida on September 26, 2024. Homes destroyed, power out, and Florida residents needing help. Once the storm passed, Security First team members activated as soon as the sun rose along the Gulf Coast.
I'm Christina Sanders, and I'm with Security First Insurance and the Emergency Response Team. We are in Tallahassee, Florida, in response to Hurricane Helene. We are here to assist all of our customers who can come by, stop by. They can file a claim with us and to know that they're safe, secure in their time of need.
This is our third hurricane in 13 months. We just had our roof repaired 3 weeks ago from the last hurricane, and we now have another limb sticking through our roof.
We've had the president of the company as well as the CEO, which is amazing. I can't say enough about that, just because we have friends and family with other companies, and I don't think that they've had what we've had through every storm as far as just what someone feels for us, and that means the world, especially in a small town like this.
We're about 3 to 4 days out from the storm. When we got home, it was pretty devastating. You go.
This is the third hurricane in the last 2 years, and we're pretty much more than you can, it's just too much to deal with. Security First has been really good. And we try to contact, they always get in touch with us. They contacted us before the storm and after the storm to make sure we were okay and had a place to go and all that.
They've been a great company for us.
My name is Corey Warren, and I am a claims adjuster with Security First Insurance. Today we are out in St. Pete. Most of the people here, unfortunately, are just dealing with flood damage, a few downed trees. So if they need the tree removal, we'll remove it. If they need a tarp, we can tarp it for them. If they have additional living expenses we can give them, we're doing that as well.
My name is Butch Algar. I'm the local field team manager for Security First Insurance. We've set up a mobile claims response location. We like to try and be first on the scene, so we're visible for our customers and let them know we're here to help in any way we can. We have all the information for FEMA, Red Cross. We provide any and all information we can.
We just want to make sure we're here for the customers storm after storm, year after year.